Unbreakable charging cord because my charging cords were always breaking right around here, right at this part. And I would always have to buy lots of them. So I got help by my parents because they helped me get this part onto here. It's shrink wrap, I had to use fire. The way it works is I plug it into a wall and it charges my phone. If I could improve it, I would make it tighter right here so it couldn't slide off like that. My materials are fire, like a fire to help get the part on, shrink wrap, and a charging cord. And that's the Unbreakable charging cord.